Hi guys, Andy from hemorrdroids.net again, here to show you some clever DLNA application. DLNA, for those unaware, are Digital Living Network Alliance. It's kind of basically a standard that was agreed on almost 10 years ago by a whole group of companies, where they decided, it'd be much better if they all worked to the same standard to allow compatibility across devices. The app I'm going to show you, it's called Skifta. Now, I've done a demo of DLNA before on my Galaxy S2 when I had it. Because Samsung built it into their own devices, I've got a Samsung TV here, and obviously the S2 was a Samsung device. Now, although what I'm using here is a Samsung device, it's a Google device really, and so Samsung haven't put their own software on. But Skifta does exactly what you need, basically. So, the application, when you get into it, we choose the media source, we choose the player, and then we browse for the actual media. So when I go to media source, I've got a DLNA server running downstairs, Servio, and then I've got my own mobile phone, and I've added my PhotoBucket account. Oh, I think my Wi-Fi just disconnected for a second there and is reconnecting. So I can choose which the actual source will be. So I can play stuff from my phone, or I can play stuff from my media server. So, for example, if I was to choose my server downstairs as the source and my phone as the player, I then browse. Now, all this bit you set up in your own media server. So then I can go to so again, this is all being played from my server downstairs, and I'm going to select one of my home movies. So this is not on my phone, this is on the server downstairs, and it's my home video of when I went to Barcelona. Anyway, you don't actually want to watch that. It plays it full screen, which is quite nice. So I can do that. I can play from a media server that I've already set up to my phone. Or if I change the source to be my phone, and I change my player to be my Samsung TV, I know a lot of people ask for the actual model, TV 40C580. Now, it should work. Any DLNA TV, this should work. That's the whole point of DLNA, is that it's a standard. Oh, and it's just closed itself. That's interesting. Let's try again. Okay, only took a second to reconnect. Let's try again. So, this is footage I've shot from my phone. It says media will be played from unknown device 8. It does take a few seconds to pass from the phone through the network to the TV. And you do start to wonder, is this working? But there it is. Now I can pause it in theory. There we go, from the phone. And I can press play again. This is just a video of the traffic lights went out in Finchley. Caused amazing problems. Luckily on a motorbike I was able to get through. And then the other one was just, again, playing something from my phone. So it says it's playing from unknown device 8. And this was just the horrific rain a couple of days ago, when it starts. So it does take a little while for it to start, but I mean, and I suppose if you're just showing someone some brief clips like this, it's a bit annoying. And again, so there's nothing really on the phone, just the controls. It doesn't play on the phone, it's only on. And then I'm going to exit out of Skifta, and just to sort of, I suppose, prove, let's switch over to some video, and I'm just going to film a few seconds so you can see it really is stuff that I've done on my phone. So I've filmed it, let's come back out, let's go back into Skifta. So it's remembered my choices, it knows the media source is the phone, the player is my TV here, and then I'm going to browse video, all videos. That'll be the one I just did, I guess. Bit of a delay, there we go. And that is the footage that I just took. So there we go. That's Skifta, Skifta. It's free in the marketplace, and it should pretty much work on any Android phone that you have right now, and it will work with, or it should work with, any DLNA TV that you have. Just check the TV specs if you're buying one that it's got DLNA. The program that I use downstairs, in case you're interested to broadcast to the network, is Servio with 2 eyes. A very good app, well, a very good program. There you go. My name's Andy, hemorrdroids.net.